Hi, this is on passport tracking system. The intention of our project is like we want to make professionals. So how a person can be a professional? If he is able to create a project. So we built a project with the .NET as a front end and SQL Server as the back end. So in .NET you can create your application and you can store the data in SQL Server. So both of things are Microsoft products, and using this softwares, we built a project that's a passport tracking system. Considering a person is going to a passport office, over there what they will do is like there will be an admin guy. He will be taking all the information of the user and he will apply for the passport. So this application is used in the passport office. Apart from that, the module is like a login page will be there. The admin will be logging in, and afterwards he can get the information from the user and he can put all the details. And afterwards, once the passport is printed, I can change the status and the user can log in, he can check out the status. So everything it's integrated as a single project. So in this particular web page, in this videos, I got 5 videos in it. In that 5 video, we are trying to show you like what are the software installation we have to do and what is the procedures, and we got how the project to be created and how we can complete the project. Everything as a whole in 5 videos I gave to you. So it's there in Wikiteki code, you can use it and you can give it to your friends, and you can subscribe to our channel to get all the details. Let's start the project. Welcome to the project. Hi. So this is on the passport tracking system, and this is a free project. I made it for you. So go to wikiteki.com, projects, click it. Over here, .NET, click it. You got a passport status tracking system. Click it. You're able to see the details of the project. The first one is abstract. So abstract the project, about the project, given the abstract, you can note it down. And what is the existing system and the proposed system, and what is the algorithms used in this project. Architecture diagram of the project, system study of the project. Here is the system configurations, and these are the very important libraries used. So just download these libraries. So if you couldn't download the actual content, you can download the zip file of those contents. So clicking the zip file, you are able to get the zip file here. If you clicking the zip file, you are able to see it here. The zip file is downloading. And here is the video to install the Visual Studio software, and the pictures of installation is given here. The same thing, this is for the front end and this is for the back end. How to install your SQL Server 2017. And what are the features of using this software? Visual Studio and SQL Server. And here is our system design. The ER diagram of the project. So we got 3 tables: a login table, passport details, and passport login details. Now I got my data flow diagram here. Here is the class diagram. Here is the sequence diagram of the project. So use case diagram of the project. Database design structures of the project. The list of modules. Here is the login module. Here is the login module. So it's a new registration module. passport status module, its admin page selection module. This one is passport registration module. It's apply passport and the change passport status module. And what are the testings we have done in this project? Followed by the system implementation. And here is the conclusion. So over here I am trying to integrate the video also in this particular project. After uploading this video, I am uploading this video in this one. And if you go to wikitechie.com, sorry, youtube.com, you can search for Wikitechie code to get it. Here is the Wikitechie code. This is a channel where you are able to see those videos, the passport status tracking system over here. So follow this video to finish the entire project.